The Grundopit, pit-launched mini-directional drill from TT Technologies. The Grundopit is ideal for installing gas service lines, water services, sewer laterals, and conduit for electrical service and fiber optic cable. Only 54 inches long, 43 inches wide, and 57 inches tall, the Grundopit is highly portable, easy to use, and operates effectively even in the tightest working conditions. The pit-launch drill delivers 13,489 foot-pounds of thrust and pulling force and 553 foot-pounds of torque. The Grundopit offers a bore length of up to 150 feet, installing new service and main lines up to 8 inches in diameter. 4 hydraulically operated telescopic bracing supports anchor the Grundopit, allowing for perfect alignment and maximum thrust and pullback. The Grundopit's patented instant plug-in lock allows drill stems to be added quickly and easily by engaging the new drill stem at the rotational motor, cutting rod installation time in half. For more information about service and mainline installations with the Grundopit, contact TT Technologies or scan the QR code now.